Well, it's starting to rain on me. Or, excuse me. Ford Lawnman here. It's starting to rain on me. And there's the Murray. Ramps put up. Scott has put up Redneck Way of covering a motor. We're just getting a big trash bag. And now it's gone. It's under the bag. That should keep it dry. I didn't ever get the what you call it? The thing unplugged. It wouldn't unplug. So that's it for part 3.5. Just covering up the motor, keep it dry. Got everything put up. But sheesh, that makes me mad. Couldn't get that Kohler out today. Tecumseh, 5-10 minutes, got it out. That fast. The Kohler, worked on it for 15 minutes and still ain't got it out. That's bad. Which I still have to do the pulley swap. That's it for now, guys. That's part 3.5.